How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know it's been a while since I've made a video, and the reason for that is I just had a few things going on last year in 2019, with the biggest thing being that I was involved in an auto accident last year. Now, honestly, that auto accident was the main reason that I was unable to make a lot of videos last year. But fast forward to today, March 2020, I'm still in some pain, but I don't want to put my life on hold anymore, so I'm just going to have to deal with the pain and see what I can do. That way I can get back into racing and making videos for everybody. So to get back into the swing of things, I made a quick little video of me installing my Billet Technology catch can. I hope it helps you out. Okay, we've got the box opened up, so let's go through all the parts that come in the box. We've got the catch can, we've got the two end pieces, we've got our nut, we've got our lock nut, we've got the two hoses, one short, one long, and then these are color matching end fittings that I got just to add a little more color to the car. Now, this straight piece is going to go to the shorter hose, and this 90 piece is going to go to the longer hose. It doesn't matter which side they go to, but you put it on either one. This is a 17 millimeter wrench that you will need for the bolt, or you can use an adjustable. So to get started, we have to take this cover off, just pull up on it, and then pull it away. You have two little tabs there, and then these tabs up top is all you need to get it off. This is the hose right here that you're going to take off. All right, back here on the back side is a little push pin. You got to push it that way and then lift up. And then down here on this one is a little push in tab that you have to, again, push in to get out. There we go. All right, so here's a close-up shot. This is the piece on the back right here that you push away from you and pull out. And then here's this piece right here, push in and pull out off of there. So here is the short hose. So I've got the color fittings on there, so we'll put that on before we put it on. Here is the straight piece. Again, like I said, you got your two hoses. This one goes to the shorter hose. Push it in like so. And you've got these hoses that are a little in the way. You want to kind of push them down out of the way a little bit. Push it on, and then it is little tabs stick to the piece back here. So we got that one on just to get it out of the way, because it's going to be a little hard to get to when we put the catch can on. So I'm going to put the catch can right down here on this bolt right behind the belt. Slide it on. Set it down nice and easy. Now you got your little lock nut. Be careful not to drop it. It is a very, very tight squeeze in here. Get it on. Grab the nut. Slide it on as well. Hand tighten it to get it started again so you don't drop it. You don't want to go fishing for it. Don't. Make sure not to cross thread it, because then you're going to have some problems. And you take your 17 millimeter wrench, put it on. Be careful not to scratch anything. Try and have the catch can level with the top of the blower. Don't over tighten it because it is aluminum. Tighten it to where it's snug and you don't feel this moving. So you don't feel it moving. Now we have the other end piece. Put it on the hose, and we will push it into this piece right here. Get it up as high as you can so it's all the way in. Then we have the longer hose. Put the two end pieces on, and again, you can take this 90, you can put it on either end, it doesn't matter, but feed it in as far as it goes to where it stops. Alright, now we're going to take the 90-degree fitting on the long hose. I'll put it down here till you hear the clip, till you hear the click. There you go. And bend it around, and again, put it onto this piece. Put up as far as you can go. There you go. Double check your pieces. Make sure they're not coming off. Check the straight. Check the catch can to see if it wiggles. We've got no wiggle, so everything is on good and tight. All the ends are on all the way up, so they're not coming loose. This one. All right, now that we've got everything checked, you can turn the car on to double check to make sure nothing is leaking from anywhere. Make sure everything is good. And if nothing is leaking, then go ahead and put your cover back on, and you're good to go. Okay, everybody, I just had the car running just to make sure that none of the fittings were leaking. Everything was good to go, so I put the valve cover back on. The valve cover is touching the fitting a little bit right there. I might either just let it go or shave it down a little bit. I'll have to decide what I want to do later. But there it is. There is my red metallic, racing red metallic billet can. I know I should have had this on a long time ago, but I just hadn't got around to it. All in all, it was an easy install, start to finish, maybe 10 minutes tops. The biggest pain in the butt was just making sure that I didn't drop the nut or the washer when I was doing that. I didn't want to have to go fishing for it. But there it is. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn your bell notification on so you stay up to date on all of my videos. More racing videos and how-tos to come. Thank you. Have a nice day and be safe.